In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link to one-to-one emails in HubSpot. Adding an unsubscribe link to your personal one-to-one emails is really important for respecting your recipient's preferences and staying compliant with email regulations. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find this setting in HubSpot and how to customize the unsubscribe text so it matches your tone of voice. First, log into your HubSpot account as you normally would. Once you're on the main dashboard, look along the very top bar of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents your account settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your settings area. Inside the settings view, you'll notice a menu running down the left-hand side. This is where all of your configuration options live. Look for the section labeled Data Management. Under that section, find and click on Objects. This is where HubSpot stores settings related to records and activities associated with your contacts. When you're in the Objects area, you'll see a drop-down field at the top of the page. By default, it might be set to something like Contacts or Companies. Click that drop-down, and from the list of options, select Activities. This switches the view so that you're managing the settings specifically for activities like emails, calls, and meetings. Once you've selected activities, make sure you're on the Email Log and Track tab. This tab controls how HubSpot handles logging and tracking for one-to-one emails. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place. Then scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Unsubscribe Links. In the Unsubscribe Links section, you'll see an option that says, Apply the same unsubscribe link settings for all users. Check this box if you want a consistent unsubscribe experience across everyone using HubSpot in your account. This is usually the best practice because it ensures every one-to-one email includes the same clear unsubscribe option. You should also see that the setting Include Unsubscribe Text and Link for all users is toggled on by default. That means HubSpot will automatically add an unsubscribe text and link to applicable one-to-one emails, so your recipients always have an easy way to opt out. If you'd like to change how the unsubscribe phrase actually appears in the email, click the Edit Unsubscribe Link button. This lets you adjust the wording of the message while still keeping the functionality of the link. Try to keep the language clear and straightforward, so people immediately understand that they can click to stop receiving emails. Once you're happy with the text, save your changes. From this point on, your one-to-one emails sent through HubSpot will include the unsubscribe text and link according to the settings you've just configured. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized an unsubscribe link for your one-to-one emails in HubSpot.